Hello everyone, I'm your teacher for this question. Let us solve this question. So here we have been asked that whether the given statement is right or wrong, and if it is wrong, we have to correct it by changing one or two words. So here the statement given is that the simple squamous epithelium is present in respiratory tract. So when we talk about epithelium, what is epithelium tissue? Epithelium tissue is basically one of the type of tissue present in animals, and it is like a protective covering in the animal body. So epithelium tissue is a type of tissue present in animals, and it forms a protective covering in animals. Now when we talk about the structure of these tissue, so cells of these tissues are compact and they form continuous layer. Because it is a protective covering, so this forms a continuous layer. So anything entering in the body has to pass first through this tissue or the layer of this tissue. So if we see, this tissue is present on the skin, mucus layer of the mouth cavity, walls of the blood vessels, walls of the alveoli, etc. So one of the type of epithelium tissue is simple squamous epithelium tissue. When we talk about the structure of this tissue, it is thin, small, having flat cells, and it acts as semi-permeable membrane. So structure is how it is thin, it is having flat cells, small cells, and it acts as semi-permeable membrane. That means its function has to be that it helps in selective transport of substances. So it is present in the inner surface of mouth, esophagus, blood vessels, etc. So when we talk about simple squamous epithelium, as it is having flat cells and thin, and it is acting as semi-permeable membrane, that means it has to have function of selective transport of substance. So it is present in esophagus, it is present in the inner walls of blood vessels, it is also present in the inner surface of mouth cavity, etc. So when we talk about the statement given here, so our answer has to be that simple squamous epithelium is present in either inner surface of mouth, esophagus, or blood vessels, walls of blood vessels, etc. So our answer would be that simple squamous epithelium is present in esophagus and not in respiratory tract. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you.